Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're going to be installing Distill Web Monitor. So this monitor is going to help us keep track of websites, for instance Amazon. Whenever the unavailable sign changes to available, it'll give us a notification and allow us to purchase this item. For instance, a PS5. I know a lot of people are looking for them. They really want to get a PS5 and they can't find them. This is definitely something that's going to help everyone install it. First thing you want to do is install the web monitor. It's a extension, so you just on Chrome, on Brave, you're just going to download it. Once it's installed, go ahead and go to the website that you're interested in. So this works great on Amazon, but on Best Buy, the way they have it set up, it doesn't allow you to use this extension. So we're going to do it on Amazon. First thing you want to do is click on your extension, click on Distill, select the page. All right, we're going to want to select this section that says currently unavailable. All right, we select that part and we save it. Once we have saved it, it'll automatically fill out some of this stuff, but you can always change it. For instance, here we can change how often it refreshes. We're going to put 30 seconds, so every 30 seconds it's going to check if there's changes on the page. We want it to give us a buzz alert. If you do select email, it can send you an email when the page changes, and you can come back and quickly purchase the item that you're looking for. All right, all we got to do is save it. I'm gonna leave my email out. We're just gonna have notifications. So on Chrome, it'll pop out whenever this changes, and that's all we have to do. So once we've done that, we're just gonna click save. All right, and on the far right, you're gonna see it's on. That's all you have to do. So when currently unavailable changes to available, you get a notification or email, and that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video is helpful. If you're looking for a 3080 and PS5 and Xbox, or any other item that's out of stock. If this was helpful, please give it a like. And if you like videos like this, please subscribe for more. Thanks.